growth and value stocks are most likely to thrive during a bull market. The paper identifies two categories. Growth stocks, these have a low book value but a high market value, as investors are willing to pay a premium in anticipation of future growth. Value stocks, these have a high book value but a low market value. The idea is that there's a perceived gap between the current price and the book value. Growth stocks are more prone to FOMO-driven price discovery, and the value stocks tend to remain more stationary. So just to break it down, growth stock, you can think of it as like a hot startup, okay? That it doesn't have a big book value, but people are paying in, they are buying, or they're investing in the potential future growth of the growth stock. So again, at its base price, what it's actually worth is smaller, but because people think and believe that this project can be so much more in the future, people buy in and they make it grow. All right, even though its actual value is low, the price is going way up there because people are jumping into and investing into this project thinking it's going to have a huge success. And then if you were to check out the value stocks, it's the opposite. This one is like finding a hidden gem. All right, it's kind of like you find a good tech that is way undervalued, that it's like a market cap of like 1 million, whenever its actual like book value, what it can do, and it's just its actual value is so much more, but the price is down because people just aren't interested in it, or for whatever reason the hype isn't there. So that's like finding a hidden gem, a value stock. One that I could think about is Caspa. Caspa solves the trilemma. It's way better and so much more than what Bitcoin could be and what Ethereum is. So Caspa really does solve the trilemma, just to put it simple. So to me, that's a hidden gem because it is very low price, especially right now. It's under 10 cents. But what it offers is so much more than its current value. So those are just examples of what a growth stock and a value stock is. And just to make it simple, a growth stock, they're like betting on a future superstar. And then the value stocks, they are like finding something on sale that is actually worth more than a price tag. A lesson learned from the growth stocks and the value stock is to figure out which projects are which. You gotta know, hey, is this project that I'm in, is my biggest bag a growth stock that is basically driven on hopes and hype because of the price, or am I into a value stock or cryptocurrency that it has really great tech, it has adoption, this and that, but the price is low, but I believe it's gonna go higher. You gotta see what you are invested in and what they truly are. You gotta give them a realistic name and not just a hopium name. An example that comes to mind, like I said, was Caspa. I believe is a value stock just because price is crazy low right now and it has great tech. Or even like some of the dino crypto coins out there like Solana, XRP, ADA, Ethereum. I believe those to be more of a value stock. The prices are pretty low, but they are battle tested and they've been here for a while. So they are what they are. Like their book worth is what it is with the price. They are pretty much together. It's not like hype or whatever. They are pretty much where they should be. So I believe those are value stocks. Even Ondo and Tau, BitTensor Tau, those are good projects for me. For they have been consistent even without the hype. And there are many growth stocks in crypto as well. So you got to be careful. Even like the newest AI projects, not every AI project's going to make it. They're just going off of the hype of AI. Or even like the Trump meme coin. Yeah, he's the president, but we quickly saw that this book value of the Trump coin and its hype went to billions of dollars. We quickly realized that, hey, its actual worth is way down here. I haven't checked, but it's probably like 1 billion or less now, 2 billion maybe. So I just know it's dropped significantly. So you got to make sure you can analyze which projects you're in and what kind of, are they a growth stock? Are they a value stock? You want to make sure you're being realistic in what you are invested in and do your research to make sure you are correct.